Nature provides the power of healing. It has the capacity to enhance our lives with best quality and understanding of own self while we are lost on the deep feelings of nature around us. In the absence of nature, everything around us would be extinct. So in order to make us alive, nature must be blessed with greenery, peace, and gratitude. Well, my stick is ready now, if you see here, and I'm going to try this. We really worked hard for this one. So here we go. Nature is amazing. When there are many different plants and animals in a place, we can say that it is rich in diversity. Animal beauty provides a significant aesthetic for protecting nature. Animal beauty is a paradigm of aesthetic value. What can be more beautiful than watching the animals grazing? But just look at this, how beautiful this piece is. Just imagine you have such a beautiful place where you're going to enjoy this piece. So let's see how well does it taste. Look at this. I'm going to add barbecue sauce. Here is some honey. Oh my god. Wow, what a taste this is. A blend of honey and barbecue sauce. Let's have another bite. This is amazing. Best place to have this type of food. I just can't stop eating. This is really wow. Why don't you come and try with me? Just look at it. So this bite is yours. My god, this is really amazing. Now just look at here. People come to these places and they leave the trash back here. This is really disappointing. We come to enjoy at these places and leave the trash behind. Is it right? I don't think so it's right. Everyone should take a responsibility. Whenever there is any trash, please bring a bag with you like this. And this bag is not expensive, it's very free. So fill your trash into these bags and take them with you. Now I'm really tired and feeling very thirsty, so I thought I should drink some water, but this water should be cold. Therefore, I had made my arrangements. Here is my ice, so it goes in my glass. Now let me add some water. I chose this water, which I like the most. It has lemon inside and it's sparkling water. So there it goes. So here I go. This is really refreshing. The lemon taste in the end and the sparkling taste.
You should also try. It's really a good walk. Now, this water has given me energy as well. So, let's go again into the valley. Here I go. Well, viewers, it's now my time to leave this place because I have spent enough time here, and now it's dark as well, so we have nothing else to do in dark. We've already done our barbecue and sightseeing, everything has been done already. Before I leave, I just want to tell you something, that if you want to come during the day, then please remember that while you're eating, you'll find some flies here, and if you want to avoid the flies, then the best time for you is to eat after Maghrib. That's the best time. And apart from that, the place is indeed very beautiful, very beautiful. Please don't leave the trash behind. If you have any trash, or if you find any trash, please put it in a bag and take it with you. Throw it somewhere in the dustbin. Now, let me tell you that where actually it is. I came from Bihar, and from Bihar it's about 40 kilometers on Hadda Sham Road. And I will share the location of this place in my description as well. Hope it will help you. So please make your plans, come enjoy here, because this place is worth visiting, worth spending a valuable time here. So until I discover some other place, goodbye. Here I go.